In this video, you're going to learn about the different ways you can publish a video on Facebook. So there are lots of different ways you can publish. You can publish now, you can premiere, you can go live, you can schedule, you can backdate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use these features to make your video stand out amongst all the other videos on Facebook. So my name is Anita Wong and I'm a digital marketing strategist. So I'm going to share my screen with you now and we're going to jump straight into Facebook. Okay, so we've jumped right inside the video editor on Facebook. If you don't know how to upload a video to your Facebook business page, please check out the previous video on my page or over on my YouTube account and you'll be able to learn how to upload it from that video. But in this video, I'm going to talk to you about the publishing options that you get when you upload a video to Facebook. It's not just a matter of just uploading a video and publishing it now. Facebook have some really good features that will help you stand out amongst your peers and your competitors. Okay, so we're going to talk about the first one, which is the obvious one, which is publish now. Now this allows you to publish your video immediately. So it will go out like a normal post and nobody will be notified until it's actually on your page. Now you can tick this option, which is post this video as a new release. When your video is first published, your viewers will be able to tune in to watch and chat about the live. Afterwards, it will be saved and shown in the newsfeed as an ordinary video post. So this is one where basically as it goes up, Facebook will notify people that you've released a new video. This is quite good to get some attention if you haven't tagged people in the previous part of this setup. The next option is to premiere. Now this is one that I really like to do. This one allows you to premiere a video like you were going live. So in other words, you prepare a video like the one I've got here already uploaded, but Facebook will allow you to schedule it and then it will notify everybody that you are about to premiere a video like it notifies them when you're going live. It's a really good feature if you want to drum up some following and get people really tuned in. If you're planning on doing a how-to series or a video series where you want people to interact with the video as it's going on, this is a really good option. Another really good option for this is when you have a video which is premiering and you want to be in charge of the comments. So if somebody comments on the video whilst it's playing, you can actually be there watching it and commenting as if you were live, but you're not actually live because your video is playing. It's a pre-recorded video. So this is a really good feature. As you can see over here, this is what you can publish videos as new releases and premieres. So as soon as your video publishes, people will be able to watch, chat and engage with it in real time. So it's like you're going live, but you're not. So if you're doing a how-to video like the one I'm about to premiere, you can sit there and actually interact with the comments at the same time. So that's a really good feature. So for this, you set the date. So today's the 16th, and then you set the time. So I believe it has to be 10 minutes ahead of when you are about to actually premiere it. So you've got a bit of time to go ahead. So we can change this. At the moment here, it's just nearly 11 o'clock in the morning. So to change the time, we'll just put 11:15. And what will happen is that this will actually premiere on my page. I want to show you what happens once I've set it as a premiere so that you can see the interactions one would get. You can also upload an image for your newsfeed announcement post. So you can actually upload a pre-planned image, but we've already selected our thumbnail, so I'm just going to leave it like that. You can, if you want to, another option for publishing is to schedule. So schedule is a similar way to premiering, but when you schedule, it doesn't notify people that you have scheduled a video. You're the only person that knows that it's been scheduled. So this is an option if you want things to go out on a regular occasion, and you can do this for normal posts as well as video posts. You can actually backdate your videos as well. So backdate your post so that it appears in the past on your timeline. So maybe you noticed that you put a video up which was wrong, or you made a mistake in it, or something's changed about the content and you want to remove that, but you want to put something in its place on that same day, then this is the feature that you want to use. You can also save your videos as draft so that you can go back and do some more editing and update some of the information, or you might want to put a thumbnail that you've designed yourself. You might want to go over to Canva or somewhere like that to do it. You can also add, so that's the publishing features. We're going to go over distribution quickly. Again, in the newsfeed, display in the watch, allow embedding. So I'm going to do Premiere because this is my favorite feature of all time on Facebook for videos. So I'm going to keep the date, and then I'm going to change the time to 11:15 so that I can go and show you what it looks like. So we're going to premiere this video. We've done all of the information at the beginning. I've put my title, I've put my description, I've optimized my thumbnail. I'm going to premiere the video. So this is one of the really cool options. So we're going to come down here and we're going to click publish. So it's not actually going to publish your video. What it's going to do is it's actually going to premiere your video on your page. So it's going to notify people who have liked your page that you are going to premiere a video. And when you premiere the video, those people who are notified will be able to interact with the video like it's a real video. Okay, so here we go. So I've actually scheduled a video under the premiere option, and as you can see here, it says Anita Wong plans to premiere a video. Watch this video to learn how to upload a video to your Facebook business page and optimize it for search and discovery. And as you can see, this is almost the same as if you were going live. So it's got today at 11:15, tune in to watch live, and you're going to get a reminder. So I'm going to click get reminder. Facebook now will know that I want a reminder of when this video goes live, and it will send me a notification up here that my video or the page's video is about to go live. So just to recap what we've learned on this video at the moment, we've learned about all the different scheduling ways you can schedule a video when you upload it to your Facebook business page from your desktop. Some of these options aren't available on a mobile. This is purely from your desktop. So please join me for any of my future videos, and if you have any questions, please pop them in the comments where this is hosted.